And about the Nirbhaya rape case, today the Supreme Court dismissed the Delhi Commission for Women's special leave petition against the juvenile rapist. The Supreme Court said that in the judgment, they share the concern, but they don't really have any legislative backing and therefore they cannot go beyond the provisions of law. The Delhi Commission for Women Chief Swati Maliwal had approached the Supreme Court in what seems to be a last-ditch effort to stop the release of the juvenile rapist just before he was released yesterday. The court had admitted DCW's plea, but they refused to stay the juvenile's release who walked free yesterday amid loud protests. The juvenile rapist has been shifted out of the correctional facility centre and currently he is believed to be under the guidance and the supervision of an NGO.
मुझे पता था कि वो कैंसिल होना है, खारिज होना है, क्योंकि मैंने ये ट्राई तो 14 में ही किया था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मेरी आज का भी खारिज कर दी थी, तो इसीलिए मैं आज कोर्ट भी नहीं गई, क्योंकि मेरे को पता था कि अगर वो छूट गया है, आज कल भी कही थी कि सुनवाई का कोई फायदा नहीं, मुझे पता था कि नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
Joining me is Swati Maliwal, the DCW chief. Ma'am, what transpired inside the court?
For half an hour the hearing continued and the judges also said that we completely share your concerns. However, we are not being able to do anything much because the law is such. So I very strongly feel that today the Rajya Sabha of the country has completely destroyed the faith of the people of this country by not passing this law till now, and we very strongly appeal to the Rajya Sabha immediately pass this law. And I very personally feel that despite so many people coming out, despite so much of agitation on this, despite so many candles being burned, nothing has changed. I really feel कि अब इस देश की महिलाओं को जमीन पे उतरना पड़ेगा मशालों के साथ.
Very key question is that there is the opposition is saying that it's more of a political posturing because you already knew that law doesn't have certain provisions.
Sir, I am the Delhi Commission of Women. I will do my best. I will take this fight till the very end. This was a process in that.
Wait, please. This is a process in that, and this is not a political posturing. That's the reply of DCW chief Swati Maliwal to the people who question her intent. The question to the people who call it a theatrics like Barkha Singh as happened in the past. But the fact of the matter at this point of time that Supreme Court has dismissed the plea of the DCW and said that there needs to be a much broader change in the policy, particularly the pending this juvenile justice bill is concerned that is pending in the Rajya Sabha, and Rajya Sabha has laid down the people, the women of this country. New Delhi with Walker on Indu Banerjee for India Today.
Yuvraj Singh returned to the Indian team after a series of impressive performances in the domestic circuit. Even though he's disappointed to have missed out on the ODI squad, UV is looking